Namo tassa 3 times. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Okay. Yesterday I explained about future tense. Maybe everyone not attend to class yesterday, no? Yeah. Yesterday around 35 people. Now the verbs we can divide into 3 ways: present tense, future tense and past tense. The present tense active voice pachati. Remember? Pachati. Plural pachanti. Second person pachasi. Pachasi. Second person plural pachat. Pachami. Pachami. Pachama. Pachama. This is a present moment. Understand? Third person, second person, first person. Okay. Third person, second person, first person. Pachati, pacha-anti, pachanti. Pachasi, pachat, pacha-ami, pachami, pacha-ama, pachami. This is a present moment. This one
about future tense. Now I add few more suffix between the pacha and ti. Same suffix. Understand? Pacha, ti, present tense. Now between pacha and ti, between the pacha and ti, I add the is. Is. Everywhere is. I add. Now these three words, pacha plus is plus ti, pacha plus is plus ti, pacha plus is plus si, pacha plus is plus the, pacha plus is plus ami, pacha plus is plus am. Now three words we have to join, we have to make one word. Okay, now I am going to make, I am going to build the one word. Because two vowels very near, if the two vowels together we cannot pronounce, cannot join. You, according to the grammar rules, first vowels you must delete, sometime behind one. Okay, according to this place, first vowels you must delete. After delete, you try to connect. Pachisati, pachisati. No, in future, because today so many, yesterday no many. Pachisati. Okay, pachisati. Understand? Pachisati meaning will cook. Will cook. Pachisati meaning will cook. So pachisati, he will cook. Sa pachisati, she will cook. Meaning pachisati meaning will cook. Okay. Pacha is anti pachisanti. Pachisanti means will cook. But English everywhere will cook. Third person also singular plural will cook. Second person also singular plural will cook. First person also will cook. But no, we shall cook. Okay. But anyway, the Pali has a different. Third person singular pachisati. Sorry, singular pachisati, plural pachisanti. According second person singular pachisasi, plural pachisat. First person singular pachisami, plural pachisama. Okay. Okay. Bhunjati. Bhunjati meaning the present moment. Okay. Please try to make in future tense. Third person singular. You add here bunja. Bunja here. Bunja issati. Bunjissati. Okay. Charati. Now understand about future tense. Okay. Okay, write down. If you need, write down. Okay, please take your vocab list number 8. Everybody have, no? Vocab list number 8. Yesterday we gave. Okay. Now search, seek. Pariyesati and pariyesanti. Understand? Pariyesati and pariyesanti. Okay. Please make in future tense. Future. Pariyesasi. Pariyesisati. Pariyesisati. Pariyesanti. Pariyesasi. Pariyesata. Pariyesama. No, present tense first. Pariyesati, pariyesanti, pariyesasi, pariyesata, pariyesami, pariyesama. Now future tense. Pariyesisati, pariyesisanti, pariyesisasi, pariyesisata, pariyesisami, pariyesisama. Okay. Another example. Gayati, gayanti. Gayati, gayanti. Gayasi, gayatha. Gayami, gayama. This is a present tense. In future tense. Okay, try to make by yourself. Okay. Ganhati. How to practice? In the future tense. Ganhati. Okay. Ganhati. Now, do you remember last time we divide verbs three way, ending a, ending a, ending a. Now, this is ending a nouns, short vowel, short a. This way, issati, issa, we have to add. After that, pachissati, pachissanti, like this, we can build. Same way, ending a, ganha, ganha, ganhati. Okay, ganha we have to add here. Ganha issati, ganhissati. Okay, ending a, if it is have the ending a, at that moment also we have to add only issa. This is my meaning. Okay, understand? Okay, write down. Gan hissati, gan hissanti, gan hissasi, gan hissatha, gan hissami, gan hissama. No any more different. Same way. Okay. Later, after this one, sir. Ending A. English E, I, A. Okay, any question? No. Already finished? Ganhati meaning take. Ganhati meaning take. Then Ganhisati meaning will take. Meaning will take. Because I thought everybody has the vocabulary. No need to explain the meaning. Okay. Will take. I will take. How to say Pali? I will take. I will take the house. I will take a house. I will take a tree. I will take food. I will take food from my uncle. Matulamha, okay. Matulamha aharang ganhisam. Okay, I will take food from uncle. From the uncle, okay. I will take food. I will take meaning ahang ganhisami. Food meaning aharang. From where? Matulamha or Matulasma Panchami. Okay. Homeworks. Not today, in future. Until you start the next lesson. Next, you have to practice. You can build a small sentence according to our homeworks. Now, everybody received the homework. How many homeworks we did? How many homeworks we did? I think almost more than 10 or 12. Yesterday one, number 14 or number 15? 16. Yeah. Okay, anyway, you try to do by yourself. Only you have to change only verb. Only change, then you can practice. Okay. Next one. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now, jaleti, ending A. Usually, jale plus is plus ti. If we follow the like this way, we have to delete behind vowel E. It's better, according to the Pali grammar book explain, like this time we have to add only is. Only is. Okay. Only s, double s a, s. Then very easy to join. No need to delete any of alphabet, any of letter. No need to delete, join. Sorry. S only. S. No is. S. Double s a. Okay. Okay, now Jalisati, Jalisanti, Jalisasi, Jalisat, Jalisami, Jalisam. Okay, only one place different, don't have e, only is. And because of the reason, we no need to delete any of word, we can only join. Jale sati, jale sati, jale santi, jale santi, like okay. Like this. Okay, press write down. Later I will ask question. Okay, everybody okay already? Okay, one more time please recite. What is the meaning? Huh? Kindle, no? Kindle. Okay, burn also can. Burn also can. Okay. Please try to practice Pujeti. Deseti. Paleti. पूरयति. Very good. Okay. Now try to practice. Okay, recite. So odanam bunjissati. Meaning he will eat rice. Okay. Next, recite. Meaning next one. Meaning now you can understand. Okay, if you need, write down. Okay. Now understand how to build sentence according to future tense. Can, no? Today can, but if I going to ask tomorrow, if you ask tomorrow, cannot. No? Can, no? Can. Tomorrow also can, I can ask tomorrow also, no? Tomorrow no class. Okay. Okay. Next one. Okay, plural. Please recite. Next one. You will give the balls. Plural. Patte means plural. Dutiya. Bahuvachana. Next one. climb up to. Okay, climb up to the mountain. Na? Okay, write down. Okay. Next one, try to build by yourself. Yes. Okay. First decide. Aham gachisami. To where? With whom? Virtue Sappurusha. Virtue with the virtue man. A whole sentence. I shall go to the monastery with the virtuous men. Okay. Next one. Mayang sunisame. We will listen. What is the listen? From whom? Whole sentence. We we shall listen to the Dhamma from the recluse. Okay, write down if you need. Write down. Okay. Next one. Noted. Finish. Okay. Okay. Heaven. Heaven. Okay. Okay, everybody. Next one. Oh, sorry. Okay, recite first. Twang tapissasi. You will keep. You will keep. Sappe. Snake or serpent. Peter come he. In the basket. Very good. Very good. You will keep the serpents in the basket. Ah, now very good, no? Ah. Next one. तुम्हें आचर्याणां आहारं ददिशत. तुम्हें ददिशत plural. तुम्हें ददिशत meaning you will give. आहारं आचर्याणां to the teachers. Very good. Somebody can build a small sentence from, can I ask from Bhante Bhikkhu side? In the future tense? Can? Try. Twango, ahango, mayang. Okay?
Mayam, Achari, Acharyasa,
Mm.
Pujesama,
Vandisam is better.
Vandisa,
Pujesam, you have something keep. Okay? Maybe aharang or something there. No? Vandisam. Okay, very good. Okay. One of Upasaka can build? Any of Upasaka can? How many Upasaka in our classroom? So many, no? Wow. 12, around 12. 12, more than 12, I think. Yeah. Upasaka. One of Upasaka can build one small sentence about future tense. Upasaka, not Upasika. First, you think by English. Okay. I shall. Okay. I shall go to the monastery. Okay. I shall go to the monastery. How to translate to Pali? Ahang. But I asked only Upasaka, not Upasika. Upasaka. Okay. I shall go to the monastery. Ahang viharang gachisami. Ahang viharang gachisami. Okay. One upasika. Okay, I will translate English. We shall receive the food from the from the lay devotees. No. We shall receive the food from the lay devotees. Okay, try. Ahan labasama. Oh, labisama. Ahan labisama. Aharang. From whom? Plural. Upasakehi. Ahang upasakehi aharang labisama. From the lay devotees. Plural. Okay. From the lay devotees. Okay. Okay, next one. Oh, sorry. Try. First recite. Yesterday write down, no? Everybody check your notes. Oh, this meaning yesterday after study, go to home, keep, tomorrow time, okay, bring. Haven't? Sure, no? How you study Pali? Okay. Okay. We shall assemble in the Park Monastery in Singapore. At Park Monastery in Singapore? Can, no? Okay, next one, please recite. Ahang pujesami. I shall offer. Pindang, alms. buddhassa savakanang viharamhi. Okay. I shall offer alms to the Buddha's disciple in the monastery. You can make like this also. Ahang Vesaka Dine Pa'auk Viharamhi Buddhassa Savakanang Pindang Pojessami. Vesaka Dine, in the Vesaka day. Vesak day, Vesak day. Vesaka Dine, Dine meaning date. Dine, Dine. D-I-N-E, Dine, Sattami, Sattami. Dine. Vesaka Dine meaning in the Vesak day. I shall offer alms to the Buddha's disciple in the Pa'auk monastery. Pa'auk Vihare. Sure, no? That's I shall. I will. Yeah, feel better, no? Exactly. Because yeah, stronger. And sure they offer, no? Otherwise, no food, no? Yeah, okay. Now the Ahang Vesaka Dine Pa'auk Vihare Buddhassa Savakanang Pindang Pujessami. In the Vesak day, I shall offer alms to the Buddha's disciple in the Pa'auk monastery. Like this you can add. Vesaka Dine, in the Vesak day. Vesaka Dine. Vesaka Dine, in the Vesak day. Sorry? Day. Dina. Okay, next one. Please translate to Pali. Plural. You will keep the. Okay, first recite. Okay, translate. तुम्हें पिटकेसु मच्चे ठापे सत. तुम्हें पिटकेसु मच्चे ठापे सत. Okay, next one. I shall wander with my friends on the island. Or I shall wander. Ahang ahindissami. Ahindissami. Ahindati means wander. Walk. Ahindissami. With my friend. Mittehi or mittebi or sahayakehi or sahayakebi. On the island. Deepe. Deepami, deepasmi. Oh, you can see. Okay. चित्तो वेसाक जिट्टो च सालो द्विषु च सावनो पुट्टपादास्य युजा च मासादायस तथा कुसु मावपा. Now the 12 month, how we recite according to Pali. 12 months. This is important, no? Can write. 12 month start from the Vesak. Vesak. Start from Vesak. Huh? Hmm? Huh? Vesak. 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 Salon. KHA. Jet. G. J. 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 Dot A. TH. Double TH. Jet. Asal. Alone. Sa is alone. Dot H A. Chitto Esaka Jitto Ch Salu. Savan. SA. Don't write, don't mark. Maybe later I edit because I want to check. Savan SA loan. VA. In dot. Down. A. Pottapad. PH. T dot TH. Pad PA loan. DA. Assa yuj. Sorry. No. Yeah, Pottapad. P-O. Asayuj. Asayuj noni. Yeah. This is Sandhi. This is Oh, please wait. Sorry, my mistake. Because the Vesara Jetta Asala Savana Vesak Person Nesada Nikini Vinava Do Duroto Bana. Okay, mistake. Sorry, my mistake. Katina, Katika means Katina man. I forget. Hmm? No, Asayuja. Chitto Vesaka Jettocha Salho Desucha Savano Pottapadasa Yojacha Masa Dwadasa Katika Magasiro Tathapusso Kamena Maga Paguna. This is a Pali poem. Start from Visaka. Vesaka Jetta Asal Savan Pottapad Asayuja Katika. Katika means Katina month. Now Vesaka means Vesak. Okay. Next month Jet Poson. The Jet meaning next month. Asala meaning the Vasana season start first month in the Vasana. Vasa first month of the Vasa. Rain retreat. Yeah, raining. Yeah. This means 4 months we call Vasa season, 4 months. Asala, Savana, Pottapada, Asayuja. No, sorry. Asavana, Pottapada, Asayuja, Kartika. This is a 4 month. But Asal month they offer the Asal Uposada, they invite to Sangha to the spend the Vasa. Asal. But they start Vasa from Savana month. Savana, Pottapada, Asayuja, Kartika. Kartika means Katina month. Katina. In the Magasira meaning December. Magasira meaning December. Pussa meaning January. Pussa meaning January. Pussa January. Maga meaning February. January, February. No. Vesaka meaning May. May. Yeah, but yeah, it's better they can English follow the otherwise they confuse, that's why. Okay. The May. Okay. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. Chitta meaning April. April. What a festival is it? Chitta. Now you can make by yourself. Vesaka meaning the May. Chitta meaning April. Okay, between you can full. Savana. Because they invite to Sangha Asal Uposatha day. After Uposatha start Savana. Yeah. 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 Okay. Mm. Now the in the Vesak day, what is the important? Our Lord Buddha's okay, you read. Okay. Jet, what is the important? Jet, the Vesak, the May, June important? No, actually the Arahat Maha Mahinda Thero brought Sasana to Sri Lanka. This is Jet full moon day. Asal, what is important? Our Lord Buddha's first Dhamma discussion, Dhamma talks, Dhamma Chakkapawatana Sutta in the Varanasi. Yeah. Huh? Sorry? Asal hai. July. And the Savana meaning start Vasa. Vasa first month. Vasa season. First one. Second, third. Savana Pottapada Asayuja meaning this is 3 month Vasa. Katina meaning Katina Puja ceremony season. Only 1 month Katina Puja. No, the 3 months finished, but 4 months until Katina. Huh? Yeah, Savana. April to May, Vesak. No, already Vesak month. Full moon day. After full moon day finish, next day start next month. Yeah. Because no, this means full moon day meaning finish was month. Next day start next month. After that, again next full moon day finish month. Start next day next month. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, this month Vesak. This month Vesak. Now the full moon day meaning last day of the Vesak. Yeah, last day of the Vesak. Last day of the Vesak. Okay. Now the Magasira means December. Possa, Maga, Paguna, Chitta. So they have the examples. I remember the February was the day important. The first Sangha assemble date in the our Lord Buddha in the Sasana. And another one, at that moment our Lord Buddha gave the title for the Bante Sariputta and Moggallana, the great Mahasavaka title. This is a February Uposatari, moon, full moon day, in the February. February full moon day. Okay? How to count 1 to 10 according to Pali? एक द्वि ती चतु पंच च सत अट्ठ नव 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 नव 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 NAVA नव नव mean द्वि द्वि DVI द्वि 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 meaning two, but some place the according to the nouns little bit different some place, but this is a normal way. एक द्वि ती चतु पंच च सत अट्ठ नव 10 एकादश द्वादश तेरस चतुर्दश पन्नरस 16 17 18 19 20 like this. තින්සති චත්තාලීසති පඤ්ඤාසති like this සත ඒක සත දිසත සහස්ස දස සහස්ස කෝටි පකෝටි කෝටි පකෝටි නහුත නින්නහුත අක්කෝහිනි මිනි 11 ඒකාදස ඒකාදස ඒක द्वादश Ekadasa 11. Dwadasa te dasa also can. Te rasa also can. Te dasa te rasa. Te dasa te rasa. Yeah, RASA. Te rasa also can. Te dasa also mean 13. Chatut dasa. Chatut dasa. Chatut dasa. Chatut dasa. Chatut dasa meaning 14. Panna dasa also can. Panna rasa also can. Panna rasa. Panna dasa. Pancha dasa also can. Pancha dasa also can. Okay. Yeah, this is joint. Chatu dasa, but chatu dasa we call. Chatu dasa, chatu dasa. Solasa completely. Completely different. Solasa means 16. Ah? 16 solasa. Yeah, chadasa we cannot say. Chadasa cannot say. Solasa. Solasa. This is only one word. Solasa means 16. Okay. After that, satta dasa 17. 17 means satta dasa. Or satta rasa also can. Satta rasa. Satta dasa also can. Satta rasa also can. Atta dasa. Atta rasa 18. Atta. Atta rasa. Atta dasa. 19 ekuna visati. Ekuna visati. Actually, later I will explain how to understand. Eka una visati. Visati meaning 20. Una meaning less. Eka 1. Una meaning minus. Minus eka. Visati ekuna visati no. 9. Visati meaning 20. Una meaning minus eka. 19. Una. 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 Ekuna. Una alone. Yeah. Every words have the meaning and we can divide. This is the Pali. That's an important the Pali. Visati meaning 20. Now this meaning eka plus 20. This meaning 90. Ekuna visati. Same way, ekuna tinsati. Tinsati meaning 30. Ekuna tinsati meaning 29. Ekuna chattalisati. Chattalisati meaning 40. Minus 1. 39. Ekuna pannasati. Pannasati meaning 50. 49. Ekuna satti. Satti meaning 60. 59. Ekuna sattati. Ekuna asiti. Ekuna siti. Ekuna nauti. Ekuna sata. Minus 1. Ekuna. Eka meaning 1. Una meaning minus. 99. Ekuna sata meaning 99. Okay, later, next time. No, but maybe cannot find Chatu Dasa usually we use. Maybe some area, sometime they use, but Chatu Dasa is common. Okay. Okay, New Pali course number 66. Okay, that's why I told the different place, the different explain have eka, dviti, chatu, pancha, cha, sat, at, nava, dasa, ekadasa, dwadasa, te, dasa, chatu, dasa, chatu, dasa, pandarasa, panchadasa, solasa, everything have. Okay, you can practice. Huh? Mm. Mm. Okay, you can practice. Okay. Okay, already finished. Okay, see that to translate the Pali. We shall wash the garment for the wise man. Hmm? Mayang, Mayang, for the wise man. Pandita, Panditas, Satake, Dovis, Same. Hmm. Okay, next one. Okay, next one. You will stand on the rock in the mountain. Can understand meaning, no? Okay. Okay, finish. Okay, finish. About past tense. Okay, please, you try to read first. Try to practice Khantiya. Try to practice patient. Because this one little bit complicated. Not for me. For this is third person singular. 4 words have verb. Actually, the suffix e, two suffix e, two suffix. Now, pacha plus e. Okay, pacha plus e meaning past tense suffix in the third person singular e and e, two suffix have. Pacha plus e become pachi. Pachi meaning cooked, past tense already cooked. Already cooked. Pacha plus e loan become pachi. Pachi also cooked. Okay, write down first two. Pacha plus e, pachi. Pacha plus e, pachi. Okay, write down first. Only two. Same meaning. Both of can. Not yet finished. Another two have. Don't worry. 1 of 4. Either one can use. 1 of 4. Same meaning. Under the third person singular. Singular only, yeah? Pachi, pachi. Naro, pachi. The man cook. Naro, aharang, pachi. Right. Cook rice. Okay, finish. Pacha I, pachi, pacha I, pachi. Okay. Already, everyone, okay? The another way are prefix and pacha E suffix become apachi. Another one are suffix pacha E suffix E apachi. But this is meaning cooked. According to third person singular only, huh? Third person singular. Not difficult. Yeah. No different. Meaning same. Same meaning. But why? It's same singular. That's because meaning our Lord Buddha used everywhere different way for the understand the people. Example now, I don't know the Chinese, the Sri Lanka, according to our language, the some example, we want to talk some one thing, but different area use Sinhalese, but they use different name, but quite similar. Example, we go yanta, yan, same meaning. Yanta, yan, yan meaning go, yanta also go, because some area people yan is the real name, but some place the somebody the forget yanta, they add the t, yanta, but same meaning. Same way, our Lord Buddha also during the Dhamma talks or everywhere, there some people pachi understand, some people cannot pachi understand. Apachi. That's why they have the many words. Okay? I think Chinese also have no like this thing. Now, example now, one thing we want to explain the same same one word they edit some alphabet, no? Okay, now, okay, please write down first. Write down.
All the same meaning.
Same meaning. Cooked. But cooked. Same meaning. Third person singular only. But English everywhere cooked. Third person singular plural also cooked. second person singular and plural also cook, first person also cook. But Pali cannot say like this. English, no. Chinese also different, no? Ah. Sri Lankan language completely different. We also follow according to Pali. Yai meaning the go. Sinhala is yai meaning this is writing. Talking yant. Like Myanmar. Myanmar also talking and writing different language. Now we write yai. Yai meaning go. The writing language. Talking yant. In the future tense, Sinhala is yanne. The masculine yanne, feminine yannaya. different words. The past tense giye, giyah. Many things have. All are writing, but talking giye. Gia, and Yanava, like this, different. But Pali also same way, not like English. The apachi pachi. Now the forward to the practice, to the easy to memorize. But here so apachi pachi. They will add, but you try to change. Apachi pachi. Too easy to memorize. Apachi pachi. Like singing. Apachi pachi. Apachinsu, apachung. Okay. Only singular. Third person singular. Apachi pachi. Plural also for have. Okay. Now, okay, same. But please carefully. Some area, some place, don't add a in front of the verb. Everywhere not like this. Okay. Important thing. First, before you write down, important thing this two. Some area have the add a. Only some place, very rare to find, but important this two. Okay, pachi. Same way, bunjati. Bunji, very easy. Okay. Okay. Now, bunja i. Now, very easy, no? Come. And bunji. Ah, what's the difference? Bunji. If you want to add abunji. Think. Slowly. Try to put. Because the very difficult to upload. Upload, huh? Because they take time to upload, no? Download easy. No, they also take time to download also. Sometimes if internet connection very poor, very difficult download. Same way, you are you not pay attention, very difficult to download. Must pay attention. Okay? Understand? Same way. Okay, I can give another example. Few words. Try to do by yourself. Okay. Charati, Gayati, Harati. Now, very easy, no? Okay. Now, add. Chari, chari. Gai, gai. Hari, hari. Okay. If you want to add achari, achari. Agai, agai. Ahari. At that moment, become long. Ahari. That's why some place different. Different. It's better follow two way. In case some place we can see different thing. Ahari also can, but ahari. Become alone. Sorry. So hari, harati, hari, hari, hari. Ahari also can. Ahari also can. Can. But if you have the sometime the start from the beginning vowels. At that moment, don't try to add a. Don't add. Example now. Aharati. Aharati. Aharati time. Ahari. But don't try to add again at that time wrong. Cannot. Never. Okay? No, this is long, this is short. This one aharati. Harati. Aharati. Sorry, ahari. But the ahari. Cannot. Step by step. Slowly go. Now the past tense only singular I explain. Only singular. Now, okay, tomorrow cannot. Discuss. Okay, tomorrow 1:30. Okay. 1:30. Sadhu. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi. ते सब्बे मे समं पुण्य भागं लभन्तु साधु साधु साधु